how to subtitle your sequence. Here's my sequence. You uncheck this thing right here, turn that off like that. Choose this, make sure whatever sequence you have is currently on over here. If you're at the screen, you click this and you click generate static transcript. You choose your stuff here, transcribe. There you go. You hit this down right here, this one right here, and you choose your subtitle stuff. There we go. Now, it doesn't appear. If it doesn't appear, select all of your subtitles. And you come here to text right here, see that? And you change it to one of your fonts you have. If there are no fonts here, we have a problem. What you're going to want to do, even if you go through each of these and there are no fonts here, right? Not at all. You go to add fonts from Adobe and you simply add any. You add any font and make sure it gets into your fonts. And it should appear all of the default fonts after doing that. They didn't appear, but you made sure that it got all the way in. So here, let me show you. This is opening up a browser window, by the way, which is very stupid. Let's add a new font here. Clean Steve Sans. Add family. Fonts added to Adobe app. Manage fonts in Creative Cloud app. Open app. Here you are. Install family. There you go. Ready for use. Got it. It is now installed for all local apps. And you'll be able to then go back over here. Now it's for sure all the way in. You want to go back to your window here, and you should see all your fonts in here now. And you should see the ones you just got, which was Steve Sans. There it is. Now, obviously, if you open up your Premiere after closing it for a while, or closing it, and your fonts are not there, all you have to do is remove one of fonts. Doesn't matter what font you remove, just remove one of your fonts. You can see I got a notification telling me that it was removed. Great, amazing. And that should also bring back up your fonts. There you go. And that's it.